the way I grew up with beauty was very much like a typical standard definition of beauty, and it had to do with being tall, being pretty, being like having six-pack abs. But as I've gotten older, and I think as like the world has changed a little bit, beauty has become more focused on like the individual and finding what's unique about yourself. I started having acne probably around like 5th grade, maybe 6th grade. I tried everything, but it's been a journey on and off, and I think it's just a part of me, and it's not something that I have to be embarrassed about, and so I'm just trying to enjoy the skin that I have and when I have it. I didn't want to go out, I didn't want to see anyone, I didn't want to go to school because my acne was bad. That sucks for like kids to have to go through, like, and you do get made fun of when you're younger. I'm just learning to find the beauty in other things, you know, like I had acne, that's fine. And also I think the way I view myself is different than the way the world views me. But to me it's like the end all be all, but people very rarely seldom think of you as much as you think of yourself, I think my mom always said. Honestly, my most recent photo, if you were to look, that version of the photo is slightly edited because I removed like a pimple. And I think that's a positive thing, so I can feel confident in the way I exhibit myself and to the world. But I think it's a negative thing because the way I see everyone else, they all look perfect. First thing I would say is don't pick it. Second, as cliche as it sounds, it's like it gets better. You're gonna be just fine, and there's worse things you could be upset about. Just sharing your experience and understanding that, one, not everyone has the same acne experience, but understanding that your acne doesn't define you, and so recognizing that people are worth more than how they come off and their skin happens to look.